Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Debbie. I go by the name of Debbie Dulamo, a grade 7 learner in Menmakuya's class, and I'm standing here to render a speech about respect. What is respect? Respect is a deep feeling of admiration for someone or something because of the good qualities or achievements. Respect plays a very great role in a child or a learner's life, because respect brings dignity and honor into your life, and it also brings dignity and honor into your family's name. And it also plays a great role in your education, because respect and education are the tickets to the train called prosperity. As a learner, you must teach yourself to respect. Respect your teachers. Nowadays, learners are no more respecting their teachers, they are no more respecting their parents. And your teachers are the ones which are helping you to build your future, but you're just destroying it by disrespecting your teachers. Your teachers are here to feed you the knowledge that you want, but you are not listening to them. Respect comes with love. And when you have love, you have peace. When you do not have love, you have hatred. And when you have hatred, that's when people start to steal and start to kill people, to kill other people, because they do not have sympathy for other people. You do not have love inside of your heart. Teach yourself to love one another. Love your fellow learner. Let me tell you something. There are also friends which make you to start to disrespect your teachers and your parents. Your parents know you as a learner who respects, but from nowhere you start to disrespect because of your friends. Let me tell you something about love and respect. Love is a must, but relationship is by choice. You have the right to invite, delete, and terminate. Not everyone should be your friend. Some of the people who are not making you better, who are making you bitter, you must delete them from your life, because they are not helping you with anything. Yes. Do you understand me? Let me tell you something. Respect can take you far. Respect can take you far. Respect and education can take you far. Today I'm giving you a choice. It's either you take the key, which is called education, and open the door called success, and enter into that door with respect and love. I've already taken my decision that tomorrow I'm going to be the next electrical engineer. That's what I've already told myself. Today I'm giving you a choice to choose today. It's either you choose to follow education and respect, or to disrespect the teachers. It's your choice. You are the CEO of your life. Yes. You have the right to invite, delete, and terminate anyone who's bad in your life. Surround yourself with the right people. Today I'm giving you a choice to surround yourself with the right people. Yes. Oh. Amen. Manitos, listen. Respect can take you far. It can take you far. And education can also take you far. Life is tough out there. People are not educated. Some of them that did not get the opportunity to come to school, but you were given an opportunity to come to school. Use it. Your parents brought you here for a purpose. They want you to prosper in life, not to suffer. And you're going to disappoint your parents like this. You're going to disappoint your parents like this. Teach yourself to respect, please. I'm giving you a choice. I want you to choose right now. I'm not going to choose it for you. I've already chosen, because I am the CEO of my life. Yes. I want every one of you now to say, I am the CEO of my life.
I am the CEO of my life.
Say it with courage. I am the CEO of my life.
I am the CEO of my life.
I have the right to invite,
I have the right to invite,
to delete, and terminate the people who are wrong in my life. I am the CEO of my life. What I'm trying to encourage you today is to respect and follow education, because education and respect are the tickets to the train called prosperity. Thank you.